In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up Outlook Calendar. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to clear unwanted events using Outlook on the web, keeping things tidy without missing anything important. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your usual search engine. In the search box, type Outlook, then select the official Outlook website from the results. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that with your account. Once you're in Outlook, look over to the left sidebar and click Calendar. This switches you from Mail to your calendar view so you can see your schedule laid out by day, week, or month. To clean up your calendar, the process is straightforward. You'll delete the events and meetings you no longer need, one by one. It's often easiest to work in week view so you can scan several days at once. But use the view that helps you spot what you want to remove most clearly. Find an event you want to remove and right-click it. On a touch device, press and hold to bring up the same menu. From the menu that appears, click Delete. Outlook will ask you to confirm, so click Delete again to finalize. This confirmation helps prevent accidental removals, especially if you're moving quickly. A couple of important notes as you go. If the item is part of a recurring series, you'll be prompted to choose whether to delete just this instance or the whole series. Pick the option that matches your intent. If it's a meeting, the behavior depends on your role. If you're the organizer, deleting it cancels the meeting for everyone. If you're an attendee, deleting it removes it from your calendar only. Take a moment to read the prompt so you're confident about the change you're making. Continue working through your calendar, repeating the right-click, delete, and confirm steps for each event you want gone. If you make a mistake, look for an undo option that briefly appears after a deletion. It can quickly restore an item you didn't mean to remove. Also, pace yourself and review as you go. Clearing a few days at a time helps avoid accidentally deleting something you still need. When you've finished, your Outlook calendar will be much cleaner, with only the meetings and events you actually care about. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook on the web, go to Calendar, right-click the items you don't need, choose Delete, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you declutter your schedule with confidence.